channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder of 10xeducate.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today I'm here with a very great video, and we are gonna create another app, and we are gonna create an odd even app. Okay, but you must be thinking that we have created already like two apps like of odd even. Then why like what? How many apps? Like wait, what? You'll be like that, right? So in this, basically what it is that there's a player one and there's a player two. Okay. So now you will get two random numbers. Now if those both random numbers whatever sum will be, if that is an even number, then those many points the player 1 will get. But if it's an odd number, then the player 2 will get those many points. But if both the numbers are same, then if both the numbers are same, then it would print like game over and then just tell the total score. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. Yep. Okay, I've minimized the screen. 1 second. Now I'll keep you guys here. Okay guys, so this is the code. Let's play this. Okay, so the number 1 is 17. Number 2 is 50. The sum is 32. So that is an even number. So our player 1 P1 gets those many points, and P2 player 2 is stuck on score 0. 13 and 9, the sum is 22. Again P1 gets the score. So you see like this and like this and 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 this. Come on, get me a tie, get me a tie, get me. Okay, so after those, you see number 1 is 8, then number 2 is also 8, so the game is over. Okay guys, so this is a very fun game and a great game to play. So yeah, so now let's just jump right into the code. First, we're gonna import random, obviously, as we want to take a random number, so we have to import the random library. Then we're doing P1, making a variable P1, basically player 1, and doing random.random 1 to 25. You can give any number as you want. I have given here 25, 30 easy, and the game over comes a bit fast. Give me a second. Ouch. Yeah. Then we are making a variable score P1 and score P2 to keep a track of the scores of player 1 and player 2. Okay. Then we are giving a value till P1 is not equals to P2. Okay. So if it's both of the numbers are not the same, then it would print the first number 1. That number 1 is then string P1. I did it string P1 because you cannot concatenate into the string, so you have to convert it as a string, and did the same with number 2. Then I made a variable a and then P1 plus P2. And then I printed the sum is, and then converted this variable's value to a string and concatenated it. And then I did if a remainder 2, like a divide by 2, and we get the remainder as 2. So we'll change our score P1's value plus equals to A. So basically our scores P1's value will change to the number which we have right here. Okay. But if we divide that A divide by 2, okay, and we don't get the remainder as 0, then we'll change score the score of our player 2. Okay. Then we have print. I have put it. Print P1 score is and P2 score is over here. As at whenever we play in both the if statements, when we are running the code, I can always see the score. See. Okay. Then I ask input. Press enter to continue. Okay, so we didn't need any variable names, so I just didn't give any. Then I made again P1 and P2 as random.random, as when we press enter we need a new number, right? So that is mine. And then we have just printed that the number 1 is print num1 is strp1 and num2 is strp2. Okay, so basically, one second. We are doing this same thing. Like, wait, let me see. Yeah, so we are doing. I just checked if they are both the same. Yeah, they are. So we are giving this over here. Okay, okay. So that basically that number 1. So that when we press enter again, then we get the number again. You see, number 1, number 2, like that. Okay. And now, but if this while loop, if P1 and P2 are the same, it won't go in the while loop and print game over. So this is the game, guys. Let's play it 2 or 3 times. Okay. So our number 1 is 10, number 2 is 23. When we add it, we get the sum as 33. So P1 score is 0 and our player 2 score is 33. Let's go on and on and on and on. Okay, so this time you see number 1 and number 2 are 4 and 4. So the game is over. Okay, guys. So yeah, guys, this was it. You can give seriously. I'm not even kidding. You can give I never did this. But still you can give here 100. It won't matter, but you'll get the game over a bit late, so that's why just for you guys a sample I just gave it 25. Otherwise you can give any random number till where you want the random number to be. So guys, we are done and we have created this on number or an even numbers game. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you're not done yet. Thank you guys, bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Yeah, 3